What is difference between Dynamics AX and Dynamics 365 operations? First thing is, see, Dynamics AX and 365 operation both are the same thing. The only difference is what? The only difference is platform is changed. Platform is changed means, like, see, whenever I previously, when we have Dynamics AX7, we can say Dynamics AX7. So whenever we are opening the client of AX7, it directly open. But now what happened, whenever you open the client of Dynamics 365, okay, it will open, and in the top of that you will see Dynamics 365 option. So when you click on that option, so what happened, when you click on that option, so it will give you some suggestions. Suggestions like, okay, you are working with AX, okay, fine. In with AX is, for AX, they have already provided you some set of applications which you can integrate. Let's say, for example, if I am working on financial environment, for example, I am working on some financial things. Now, as per my financial things, there in market, there are many applications are available which I can use, which I can integrate with AX and I can work. Okay, so 365 is what? It's a platform where you will have your AX plus some other application which you can download, and that is automatically integrated with your AX.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Second thing is, now we have Dynamics AX7. So Dynamics AX7, it's only AX7, nothing else. No applications, nothing. It's only AX. But when we talk about Dynamics 365, so Dynamics 365 is a combination of, just a second, yeah. When we talk about Dynamics 365, so 365 is a combination of AX, CRM, which is your sales and marketing, and the third thing, it is a combination of NAV, which is, we call it as a financials. And the third is, it is providing you some third-party apps.
Okay.
Okay, but again, it is not mandatory for you that you, whenever you use Dynamics 365, so you use all these. It's not mandatory, right? Let's say, for example, if my company right now, let's say we are not working on Dynamics 365, for example. Okay, so what we have done, let's say I am using Dynamics AX7. With AX7, I've integrated my CRM also, because I want to use some CRM feature which is not available in AX7 customer and sales. Okay. So I have divided what, for using those features I have integrated with this CRM also, right? So the customer like me who is using AX and CRM both integrated one, right? For me, I should go for Dynamics 365. Why? Because I'm investing on one product and Microsoft, they do what? They're providing me the integrated solution. I don't need to do it. But till AX7, you have to do it. You have to integrate your CRM with AX. Okay, but in Dynamics 365, they have given you one platform. You need to go, you need to contact with Microsoft for purchasing that platform. And when you're purchasing that platform, you have to tell them what products you have required or what is your requirement. Okay, on the basis of your requirement, they will give you these products. This is clear? So what is the Dynamics 365? So Dynamics 365, you can take it like, for example, when you use Windows, okay, when you use Windows operating system. So with Windows operating system, you're getting the store operation. The store is available, right? Windows Store.
Yes.
Yeah. When you go to Windows Store, what you will do? You can install the application. That application is installed in your operating system, and then you can use it, right?
Yes.
You don't need to integrate that. You don't need to do anything. You can install it and you can use it. So 365 is also something like that. So you have a 365 which is kind of your Windows Store, and where you have these products. Clear?
Understood.
Okay. But now, when we talk about their functional way means when you're working with these things, either the AX7 or Dynamics 365 operations, anyone, okay, the working is same for both. Means if I want to do any technical customization, it's same. If I want to work with a functional environment, it is same. There is no difference in that. The only thing is your platform is changed. Okay. See, Dynamics 365 has a two edition. The one is the enterprise edition and second is a business edition. Okay.
Okay.
In Enterprise Edition also you have a Plan 1 and Plan B. Plan 2,
Okay.
sorry. Plan 1 is
Okay.
only containing your CRM.
Okay.
Okay. And Plan 2 is containing your CRM and AX both. Okay, so if somebody is only want to go for CRM, so they can purchase Plan 1 only.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the Enterprise. And in Business Edition, your nav is also coming. If you want to use operations, so you have to go for Plan 2 without CRM. Okay, and the apps are available for your both option. Like if you go to Plan 1 or Plan 2, both option, the apps are available. So 365 is what? The 365, if we talk about in the working of 365 in functional and technical way, so both are the same thing. There's no difference with that. The only difference is what? The platform is changed now.